About 2 weeks ago, you said that you'd be interested in doing a cloud painting tutorial, so that's what I'm going to do for you tonight. I went and finally got an overhead camera mount for my phone to plug into, and it's working pretty well. I have it, I mean, it's doing its job. I have it like clamped to my desk. And so I'm gonna show you the materials that you're gonna need today. So I have this little 5x5 square of paper. This is Arches art paper. It's the hot press, so it's really textury and kind of pebbly. I haven't tried the cold press, so that one is a lot more smooth. I don't know how clouds would look on that. I'm sure that they'd look nice, but I really like this one because it absorbs a lot of water. So you can kind of be rough with this paper, drench it, and it'll stand up to the test of water. So anyway, I decided to do some purple clouds tonight. I thought this would be fun, so I'm just using my Winsor & Newton palette like I always do. I can show you. Let's see. This video is probably not that exciting. It's like just a square of white paper. But anyway, here's my watercolor set. This is it. This is where the magic comes from, I guess you could say. So I'm dipping this brush into as much purple as I can get right now. Funny story about this brush, I bought it and I didn't realize it was like a $30 brush, but hey, it's nice. So I've already wet my paper. That's something you're gonna wanna do first. And then once you wet it, you're just gonna do a wash of watercolor. You want the paper wet so that you don't get streaks, because you know, the sky's not stripy like that. So I'm gonna put down this purple wash, put it all over. And I think I'm gonna do it monochromatic as far as the purple goes. So of course that's one color. So I'm going to go ahead and probably make it a deeper, darker purple at the top. So I'm just gonna load my brush up with more paint and then come across the top like this, kind of let it spread out. And then just keep loading my brush with more and more purple paint. This purple, let me actually check it for you. So it's just violet. Oops, where? So you can see it there. It's just a Winsor & Newton violet. I'll put another wash over the top. So it's getting deeper and darker. Right here, let it spread out. All right, so I think that the clouds are a really great first kind of tutorial for people because you don't have to draw anything. Like, they just happen, which is really cool. So you go ahead, put as much purple as you want. I'm actually gonna like dab my brush and probably take up some of the purple that I have here on the bottom because I don't want quite that much. Okay, I'm gonna take up this purple, get rid of that, and then here we go, the secret of these clouds. It's just like kitchen paper towel. Oh my God, I can't think of words today, geez. So you're gonna take some paper towel, just take a little strip like I have right here. And then you're gonna kind of crumple it up. And then you're just gonna dab and you take up the paint and you kind of just go across and like find your different shapes. I feel like some clouds come out better than others, of course, and I don't know, not always the same amount of happy with every single one of them, but they're pretty cool. I don't know, just like that. You keep going up. You can try a bunch of times. So now I'm just going back in with my brush and adding some more purple in to kind of like highlight the definition. There we go. Starting to really pop, I think. And then, let's see. I'm just gonna keep adding that purple in. Cool, okay. All right. I think I like what I'm getting so far. And if you want, you can always go in again with your little piece of paper towel and add in more clouds. And sometimes it will create, you know, different, what do you call it? Guys, I really can't think of any words tonight. Like densities of clouds, stuff like that. Some of them are lighter. Cool. All right. That's pretty nice and dreamy. So yeah, whoops. That's how you do it. This is gonna be my cloud tutorial, and actually I think I'm gonna add in a special treat for you guys with this, because why not? So I was at Blick last night and I got this gold watercolor. I'd been eyeing it for a little bit, but I was like, what am I gonna do with that? And I also actually, I didn't know if it was a watercolor the first time I saw it, so that was a problem too. But this is Finetech Pearlescent, Pearlescent Colors. And let's go ahead and open it. So this is kind of like an unboxing. Whoa. All right. Oh, okay. Let's just break it. Great. Look how pretty that is. Where's my, okay, there we go. So this one's called Olympic Gold. And I guess it's just gonna sit right in this thing. I don't know. No, I don't think that's how it works. Anyway, I'm gonna rinse my brush and I'm going to go ahead and dip in a second and see what happens. I'm really excited. I've never ever tried these. Never even seen these before. I don't know. Okay. Pick it up with my brush and then I'll move the camera so you can actually see it. Let's see what happens. Add a little, ooh. Oh, that's nice. Okay. I like that. I wonder how it's gonna dry. A little shimmer. And it's kind of moving the purple paint around. Add some up here, why not? Over here. Just like dab it around, see what happens. All right, so then you just go ahead and let it dry, and I'll do the untaping in a little bit. Okay, so this is mostly dry, and that gold is just really, whoops. It's okay, everything's like the opposite direction of where I want to go. So that gold is really, really pretty. I like that a lot. And then, okay, so something I really like to do is add some glitter in. I just think it gives it a nice little pop. It's fun. So I just take a glue stick. It's really simple. And just dab a little glue down wherever. I don't know. Just put it around. Just have fun with it. There we go. And then you're going to sprinkle your glitter on. Just get it everywhere. I like using this white one. It's super, super fine. I just found it at the craft store, obviously, I guess. And I have gold as well, but I don't have it with me. So I'm just using the white, nice white glitter. It's kind of like snow or something. Okay, so that's it. And then, okay, let's do the untaping. That's always like really satisfying part, I guess. There we go, got those nice clean edges. And this thing that I'm using right here is just, what do you call it? Foam core. So I got that at the dollar store. Super cheap. I cut it down with an X-Acto knife. All right. Here's the other side. Can you see that? Okay, there we go. Here's the other side. Nice. Nice, nice. And then finally, this bottom one. All right. Trying to stabilize everything. It's not quite working, but okay, that's the last piece. Last piece of tape there. So let me pick it up and show you. It's still a little bit wet because I put so much water, but you can, there we go. Okay. Yeah, now you can see it. And then like the final step that I do with these is I iron them. Like flip it over and iron the back so it's nice and crisp and flat. So there you go. Hope you can have some fun with that too.